Ka sorkar Meghalaya kalas dang ya jingpen kre banthau kerpang ya kathop nong thap vote na kabinta ki GHEDC hadian bo ulat ke jela UCH Vijay Shankar ulaminjor ya ki jingpen kala ki bakhang ki bomde Riewlum ban Iakhun Elekshon ya kani la pintikna du simbot menteri rangba ke jela upreston tingsong ubla ong ba ke sorkar kan bishar biang ya kathop nong thap vote pat kan don kamru ya kathop nong jet bakirpang na kabinta ke GHEDC Ulo ongru ba ke sorkar kan satho sha ka KHEDC bat JHEDC ban pin kalano ya ka ju ka kindon kata ka rule 8 ban pha sholat ban minjor hapdeng kani uba ting song ulo ong ba ka sorkar kan num weng no ya ka jingpin jlan por ka ba hnriu bana ya ka GHEDC hinrei ka jingpin khre ka dang ya chakman ula bin rap ba kani ka jingpin kala wanra ya ka jing shong suk shong shngai hagaro hills hadien ka jing yakhi kabla ne bon tayo but ulapin pau ke jingkermen baki jing kin amdan shu.
We are so thankful to the Honorable Governor who has ultimately approved the amendment passed by the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council relating to the Rule 8. The Rule 8 where ultimately it was replaced by the word only children. Okay? Only children. Then today, the Honorable Governor has approved it, and now the amendment is in place. Then the next step from here is again we are working out how to revisit the electoral rule, because the electoral rule again has to be also revisited in this particular case. So now I think tomorrow I'll have again a detailed meeting, and ultimately necessary instruction will be given to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. For Garo Hills, because in Khasi and Jaintia we have electoral rule of only tribal voters. So now, since this amendment is taken place, we have to also be made applicable the practices done by Khasi and Jaintia. Again, as I said to you, very soon we are going to write a letter from the government side to both the this council. One is Khasi and Jaintia Autonomous Council. We will write a letter to them that they should also amend the very same clause 8 of the AD rules and send to the Honorable Governor for approval. Garo Hills, the overall law and order situation is cool and calm, and I'm very sure too that people of Garo Hills, especially in the hilly area, because their aspiration is very clear, and that is the demand for amendment of the AD rules. So since the AD rule has been amended, I am very sure they should be happy, and I'm very sure also that the law and order will no longer be there.
Thank you.